Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely 2020 20 plate Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport. It's only done 5,624 miles from new and it's lovely. It's a fantastic colour as well. It looks really nice in this deep sort of metallic grey with a bit of red pinstriping going through it. It's lovely. So with these you get a digital display, analog rev counter, you get different power modes, so you get rain, road and sport, you get a traction control in them modes as well. You also get ABS, you get cruise control. This one's got a tinted screen and this one has been slightly lowered as well, but if you do want it putting up to factory height, we can do, that's not a problem. Anyway, they're a brilliant bike, they sound the business as well, so if you want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.